So, quick vid on these wonderful little HW45s that are going to be available soon at Braces at Bristol. Wonderful little things. Anyway, they're going to come supplied with obviously the grips, Hugget and an Allen key, and with 2 barrels. I don't know if you can see that, but your caliber interchangeable 0.22, 0.20, and this is just a little tutorial on, if you don't know, which you probably do, how to change the barrels. Now, method number 1 is the invasive method, and you're going to need soft jaws probably, and a vise and a decent punch. And you remove this little Allen key. You can use the supplied tool from Braces, and then tap out the main pivot pin, and then you should be able to pull your barrel and your link arms out and change it that way. Now my way, and I'm going to get slated for this because people are going to think you're going to lose your fingers and die a horrible death and maybe chop your leg off, but we're going to open the gun, and then, unlike a standard 45, you can use the silencer and break it like you would a rifle. Ensure it's on safe. Now inside there you'll see clear instructions. I don't know if I can pick them up on the vid down here. Do not over tighten, and what we're aiming for is taking out these little countersunk bolts here. So me personally, if you've got somebody who can just assist you, just ask them for help. When I've assembled these, I've put a little bit of lithium grease on the screw just to stop it seizing in. So you take that one out, put it to one side, make sure that Allen key's in there, you take that one out and put it to one side. Now if you lose that, do not use a ball end tool for these, they snap. Just get very gently either your Allen key or your finger, pull up and remove that. That will only go back in one way, obviously the countersink, facing upwards. When you put your barrel out, put it to one side, hit your new barrel. I'm cheating because I haven't got any of the 2 old barrels. And then to refit, it's just the opposite. Pop that in. Now when you refit, just partly tighten each one. If you start screwing it in and it starts to go tight, you've ballsed it up, you've cross-threaded it, and you're in a world of pain. And also, if you've got a little bit of lithium grease or any kind of grease, pop that on the threads, and then just in turn nip one up, then tighten the other up, and then tighten the other up. Don't murder him, because it's so easy to round these heads, it's untrue. And that's it. Your new barrel's in, and you've swapped your calibers. Another thing I'd recommend is, if you don't, these will be supplied with your pit rail and no foresight, but the rear sight is left in to neaten the build up. If you do get all of a foresight adhesive bead like the Easy Hits, available on the eBay, and you can obviously take the rail off and use it as an open sight pistol. But if you're not going to, I suggest, because you're using that for cocking and there's a lot of rotation going on, You just put a little bit of Loctite on your half U and F20 thread and bond that on. So yeah, lovely pieces of kit. Hope that came in useful, and if you do buy one, enjoy. There won't be many more.